Welcome to the exhilarating world of the Bike Build Challenge, presented by TeamBuilding ROI. Immerse yourself in an atmosphere brimming with competition, strategy, and fun. Starting with only a bike frame, your team will compete in mind-bending mini-challenges to win essential bike components. But it's not just about speed. Strategic thinking is key in deciding the order of acquiring parts. Rest assured, our expert mechanics are on hand to oversee the correct assembly of bikes, fine-tuning as needed. This high-octane program, lasting between 90 to 120 minutes, is perfect for groups of 6, 1,600, and can take place indoors or outdoors. Under the guidance of a TeamBuilding ROI host and a professional facilitator, you'll dive into interactive icebreakers, cerebral challenges, and puzzles, all aligned with the event's theme to foster team collaboration. Participants are provided with all necessary materials and supplies, and the top 3 teams will be awarded medals. What's more, the Bike Build Challenge has a heart. Partnering with the Family Giving Tree, the assembled bikes, valued at $240 each, are donated, with seamless coordination for the donation process, including tax deduction receipts. So gear up for a high-energy, professionally crafted event that not only enhances team bonding, but also contributes to community welfare. The Bike Build Challenge, where you build, bond, and benefit the community.